Hi, how are you? Are you the one who's been given this new responsibility in your organization to do the trainings for colleagues and your teammates? Are you the one who's been given this responsibility but you don't have any idea how to do that? Are you feeling this ambiguity where to start from? If you fall in any of these categories where you are the one who's been taking care of the trainings now and have no idea, continue watching this video. Don't get nervous where to start. There is a whole laid out system to do the trainings. Its only thing is that you will not know what the system is like. And if you go online on Google, there is millions of ways which will be told to you and you will not know where to start from. Welcome to this channel, which is Guide for Non-Trainers. In this channel, we will be discussing from the first step, how to become a trainer. What qualities do you need for training? How to do your training need analysis. What is an effective training need analysis and what is not? We will be discussing these in small videos. We'll be also making some posters so that you can see and download those posters and work on them. In addition to that, we will also have lengthy posters and lengthy descriptions. Do go to the descriptions and read them. They will be helping you to make more sense of what's in this short video. If you still want more, you can always go to our YouTube channel, which is Guide for Non-Trainers, and subscribe there, like it, and share. Now, the most important question that everybody would be thinking, what about the subscription amount? What about the payment? Let me clarify this. There is no payment. You don't have to pay. The all monetary value is nil. All we would like to do, if you like the video, if you like the information, and you like that what we are doing, what we're trying to help, and the content is nice and easy and simple to use, just like it and share it with others. People who you think would need this. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and that will be all. That's it. So I think I'm ready. I hope you are ready. Let's do some trainings.